Imagine if tonight you go to sleep and tomorrow morning you wake up not on Earth, but on the moon. You look out the window and far away in the darkness, you see a glowing blue Earth. No air, no birds, no sound. Only silence. But the most surprising part is, humans have actually been to the moon, and scientists are preparing to return and possibly live there again. But the real question is, can humans survive on the moon? And if we can, what would life actually be like? What is the moon really like? When we look at the moon at night, it seems calm and peaceful. But in reality, the moon is an extremely harsh place. During the day, temperatures can rise above 100 degrees Celsius, and at night they can drop to around minus 170 degrees Celsius. And the biggest challenge? There is no air. If you stood on the moon without a spacesuit, you wouldn't be able to breathe. And because there's no atmosphere, sound cannot travel there. Imagine. You scream as loud as possible, but nobody hears anything, only silence. The moon's gravity is much weaker than Earth's. If your weight on Earth is around 60 kilograms, on the moon you would feel like you weigh only about 10 kilograms. That's why astronauts appeared to move in slow, light jumps. You could jump much higher, like how a football bounces high after being thrown onto the ground. But one mistake could be dangerous, because controlling your movement becomes much harder. And here's another strange fact. Your footprints on the moon can remain there for an incredibly long time, because there's no wind to erase them. It's possible that footprints left decades ago are still there today. Can humans build homes on the moon? Now the big question, could humans actually live on the moon in the future? Scientists say, maybe yes. NASA and other space agencies are already working on future moon-based projects. The idea is to build structures using the moon's own soil, use solar energy, and find water. Yes, scientists have found evidence of water ice in certain areas of the moon. And if water is available, it could be used to create oxygen and even fuel. But even then, daily life would be extremely difficult. Everything would need careful planning. One small mistake could become a huge problem. Now imagine this. You're standing on the moon, and you look up into the sky. You won't see the moon. You'll see Earth, a small glowing blue world, where your home is, your friends, your family, everything, inside one shining light. Astronauts said that when they saw Earth from space, their way of thinking changed. They realized that no matter how different we think we all share the same home. But the biggest challenge of living on the moon may not be technology. It may be humans themselves. Think about it. No rain, no air, no cities, no trees, no sound, only darkness and silence. Could humans mentally handle that level of loneliness? Scientists are still studying this question today because space exploration is not only a test of machines, it's also a test of human beings. Today we live on Earth, but maybe one day humans will build their first home on the moon, and perhaps in the future, for some child, the moon won't just be something in the sky, it will be home. And when they look up, they'll see a glowing Earth far away, like an old memory. If you had the chance, would you live on the moon? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so more videos like this reach you.